Hey guys, and welcome back. This is the third video of our Lpic1 course. In this video, we're going to prepare a lab for Fedora and Ubuntu distro, and I'll be walking through the full process of installing Oracle's Virtualbox on a host and then creating two virtual machines running Fedora Workstation and Ubuntu desktop. I'm using Ubuntu for my daily uses, but if your host is Mac OS or Windows or any other Linux distro, the process is pretty much the same and you can install VirtualBox on your host and run Fedora or Ubuntu in it. First, we need to get the latest Fedora Workstation and Ubuntu desktop ISO files. I recommend going to getfedora.org and grabbing the 64-bit version and ubuntu.com/download/desktop and download latest LTS or long-term support version of Ubuntu desktop. I'm going to pause the video for the downloads to complete. Now that I have my ISO files downloaded and copied in my desktop, now I have to install VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a free and open source virtualization software that allows users to run multiple guest operating systems as virtual machines on a single physical machine, or as we call it, host. For installation process on any operating system, you can visit virtualbox.org and learn how to do that. For Ubuntu installation, you can use the following command on your terminal. For opening the terminal, press Ctrl Alt and T and type in sudo apt update and then press enter. Wait for the command to complete and then type in sudo apt install virtualbox and then press enter. Wait for the installation process to complete. After the installation process is completed, open VirtualBox. Now we need to create a VM or virtual machine for our operating systems. Click on New to create a virtual machine, give it a name, and for the type, select Linux/Fedora 64-bit. For memory, allocate 4 GB RAM. If you don't have enough RAM to spare, give it at least 2 GB, but if you have and want to ensure good performance, give the VM at least 4 GB RAM. Now create a hard drive VDI file. I recommend making this dynamically allocated to conserve disk space. Set it to 25 GB for now. And after creation, select VM and press Setting. Under Display, max out video memory to 128 MB. Under Storage, add Fedora ISO to the empty optical drive bay. Then press OK. And now launch by pressing the Start button and begin installation. Select Starting Fedora Live and wait for the Fedora Live to start. Now begin installing Fedora Workstation. Select your language select your VDI that you created, and now press begin installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. The full installation should take about 10 or 15 minutes. Once completed, restart to boot into your new Fedora Workstation VM. Now that we have installed Fedora Workstation, now I'm going to create a VM for Ubuntu Desktop. Even though my host is Ubuntu itself, I just want to show you the Ubuntu Desktop installation process. The process is the same as the last one. I click on New to create a new virtual machine. I give it a name and hardware the same as Fedora. I'm going to launch the machine to start the installation process. Now that we created our lab, we can start our course. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe and recommend this channel to your friends.